Hello, guys, this is John Smith. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, now today in this video I am going to show some interesting points and analysis based on previous data from the history of Bitcoin. I have decided to make this video as short as possible. This is only for my Telegram users. As you can see, we are forming a head and shoulder pattern which always breaks down, so I think that similarly previous pattern of head and shoulder were here and break down. Similarly, we are going to form another head and shoulder pattern and then we will break down from here just like this. You can see I am giving you an exact example of how it behaves technically slightly. Let me find the tool. Okay, here we go. Let's draw the head and shoulder here. Perfect. Okay, I am going to draw the target to see if this was the head and shoulder for sure or not. Wow, that's exactly matched my target. It means that was a head and shoulder for sure, which always breaks down. This dotted line is so annoying, man, lol. Here you see the exact target. Cool. Okay, well, playing with the robot voice is so fucking fun, lol. My original voice is so ugly, please don't mind. Okay, here I open the Fibonacci retracement tool, and as you can see here, the target previously matched exactly and fall into the golden Fibonacci pocket, which is the second confirmation that this was the head and shoulder pattern for sure. Now similarly, I think we are going to form same pattern. Let's draw head and shoulder here first. Oh no, let me try again. My mouse is ruining the video, man, lol. Okay, here is the right shoulder and here we go, perfect. Now I will tell you the exact target. Just like previous, we saw head and shoulder always breaks down. Here is the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, here we see the target is exactly going towards a critical level, which is $20,000 approximately. And wow, did you see that? Beautiful. Also, this is the golden Fibonacci pocket. This is interesting. That might be a second confirmation that we may go down to $20,000 for a perfect bounce. And also, this could form a bullish divergence. If this move happened as projected, then we might see a strong bounce to the upside within this wedge. As Bitcoin has no trading profiles in these ranges, also the all-time high has the clear sky without any support and resistance levels, so I might think the Fibonacci retracement tool is the perfect one to anticipate the next potential breakout target, which could be 1.6 Fibonacci level at $28,000. I am currently 60% bullish because we are in an uptrend unless we drop down from this broadening wedge. And also, the trend is your friend until the end. Carl famous saying, let's not promote him, lol. Joking, Carl, hopes you don't mind. I think we might see a drop down here to 0.6 Fibonacci level at $20,000 and then bounce boom towards 1.6 Fibonacci levels at $28,000. Or we might see some sideways or some W patterns, then go breakout above towards $28,000 most probably. Okay, let's check if this head and shoulder pattern played out. Then what will be the percentage target of the profit of this short trade? Wow, if we short it from 23,500 and 23,400 US dollars levels, then there will be the trade of 11.10% profit. And if we take 10x leverage on this trade, then this will be 110% profit trade most probably. And towards 0.6 Fibonacci levels approximately. Okay, now let's check the long trade percentage. If you decided to buy this incoming dip and long it from here. Wow, this long trade will be approximately 38%. This setup looks interesting. Exactly towards 1.6 Fibonacci levels at 28,000 US dollars, which is a good level to take profit according to Fibonacci trading rules. Now let's talk about this ascending broadening wedge. In this picture, this is a bullish wedge that always breaks to the upside, consists of higher highs and lower lows. And here, as you can see in Bitcoin, forming a broadening wedge consists of similar patterns, higher highs, but not the lower lows. Instead, these are the higher lows, which is the only problem here that made me 40% bearish. I am going to talk about this as well in this video, the bearish scenario. As you can see previously, Bitcoin has similar patterns of wedges, consist of higher highs and higher lows, and they break to the upside, so there are more chances of breaking above towards 28,000 US dollars rather than going down, but this will be a risky call, and it's too early to say that. As you know, in a bull trend there is necessary correction required of at least 30% to 40% in order to sustain the bull run. So there are 40% chances we might see a correction in form of this bearish wedge, as per the technical analysis rules. Okay, now let's talk about the worst case scenario here in terms of correction. If this broadening wedge turns into a bearish one, I have placed a green dotted line at the bottom of this broadening wedge for the bearish target. In this picture you can see another broadening wedge, which is a bearish one that usually breaks to the downside. I have been searching for this bearish wedge to match with the current one that Bitcoin is forming. As you can see here perfectly, this bearish wedge is forming higher highs and higher lows, which is matching exactly with the current broadening wedge pattern, consist of exact higher lows which were not matching with the previous bullish wedge that I showed you recently. So far so good. Seems a bearish scenario could also play out because we have not seen any correction till now. Let's measure the target. If this broadening wedge breaks to the downside in terms of correction, oh my god, this could be perfectly the 40% to 45% crash that is almost required in bull runs to sustain it. Well, guys, do your own research as well before jumping to any conclusion. This is crypto, anything could happen here. I have mentioned you enough scenarios in this video so you could make easy decisions about what to do and what not to do. Take care, see you in the next video.